Okay, welcome back. We proceed to load our structure. We have already assigned properties and materials to this roof truss, so we are proceeding to assign supports and loads to this structure. Okay, last we did supports, so now last we did properties, sorry, so now we are coming to support. Like I said before at the outset, you work in the structure tree view from top to bottom. So for support, I will proceed to create. Okay, you can create fixed support, you can also create a pin support, and there are other support like incline supports, only springs and all of that. So let's proceed to create one fixed support. Okay, tap on add, then let's also proceed to create a pin support. Okay, then after you create the support, you assign. Let's assign the fixed support first. Okay, use cursor to assign. Then I proceed to assign the pin support. Okay, I'm also using cursor to assign. Okay, so that is it. We have assigned our supports. Then very quickly we go on to assign, to create loads and assign them. Now in creation of load, you will say new. Okay, you first of all highlight on definitions and say new. When you say new, you come to load items. Okay, sorry, you come to load cases or load case. Now load case 1, you come to loading type and choose dead, and then in your title you will now type in, you give it a name. Of course it's dead load represented by GK, and then you add it. And then your load case 2 is live, so you come here and type it, live load. Okay, represented by QK, and then you add it. And then your load case 3 is wind load. Okay, you type it. Okay, you've chosen wind already, and then you add it. Very good. So these are our load case details. Now we know that under dead load we are going to have our self weight. So you select, first of all you select it, select dead load, and you say add. Then when you say add, okay, what you are picking is self weight. The dead load is usually the self weight, and then it has a factor of -1. You know, dead weight is usually acting downward, you know, acting, they are usually called gravity loads, acting downwards. So since it's acting downwards, it's going to take a negative factor, and then it's in the y direction because it's downward, vertical. So you add. Okay, then of course you have your live load. Okay, you have your live load, you select it first and then you say add. Then live load is a typical example of member load, so you come and click member load, and then under member load, it's uniform force. It's already clicked here. Then is 1.5 kilonewton per meter for residential buildings, Okay, but okay, say yes and say save. Okay, life load for roof. Okay, on estimation it's 0.78 kilonewtons per meter. If you estimate it, is 0.78 kilonewtons per meters for life loads. And then what is the direction? Life loads are also gravity loads acting downwards, and our gravity direction here is the Z direction. So acting downwards give minus. First of all, put our direction here to be Z direction, and then acting downwards gives us a minus sign, just like we have in the self weight, and then we add it. And then lastly, our wind load. Okay, you say add. Our wind load is also a member, it's also a member load, and then it's a uniform force. Now our wind load will be acting in the positive y direction, the positive x direction, sorry. So if you look at your axis here, it will be acting in this direction. So this is it, x direction, and then the magnitude is 3.5. okay, so you add that. Good. So we've had all our load case details. Now we are going to create our combination load cases from these primary load case details, combination of life load and dead loads, wind loads and dead loads, then life loads, dead loads, and wind loads. So for that, we are going to highlight this first, and then we say new, and then we come to load case, and then we'll come to combination, and then we'll come to auto combination. Now we are designing to BS2 to British standard, so we choose British from our select load combination code, and then we say generate loads. Good. And then now the loads have been generated. You see, load case 1 is 1.4 times 1.4 times load case 1, and then 1.6 times load case 2. That is 1.4 times dead load, 1.6 times life load. Then the second load combination is 1.4 times dead loads and 1.4 times wind load. And then the third load combination is 1.2 times dead load, 1.2 times life load, and 1.2 times wind load. So you add all of them, and then you close this. Good. So we have created all our loads, both loads, primary load case and load combinations. So we now proceed to assign our loads. Now the self weight is assigned to the entire structure. So you click on it, and then you highlight the entire structure. Okay, you highlight it again and say assign to selected beams, and click on assign and say yes. You see, when it has been assigned, it will give you this green coloration. You see, this one that has not been assigned, you won't see the green coloration there. Likewise, this one that has not been assigned, you won't see the green coloration there. So that is that we have assigned ourselves. So we proceed very quickly to assign our life loads. Now the life loads will be acting vertically downwards on the structure. So for that, I can select, because this is where it will be acting, I can select the beam like this and select it, and then I will say assign to selected beams, and that is it. That is how it will be acting. And then of course the wind loads will be acting in this direction. So for that, I will select this, select that, select this, and then I will say assign to selected beams. I'll come and click it right here, and that's it. It has been assigned. So we have created all our loads and assigned them. So if you click your combination load cases, you see how the loads will be acting in combination. So that's it. So that is it. So we proceed to materials. All right, we have not assigned property to this structure. Okay, so we now proceed to assign property to the structure. So for that, we choose our section, we click on our section database. Okay, we are using British section, so we click on this, and we are using angle bars, so we click on this. Okay, for the top and bottom rafters, we are going to be using 90 by 90 by 7, so you click on it and say add. Then for the bracing members, we are going to be using 70 by 70 by 7, so you click on it and you say add. Now very quickly, for the top and bottom rafter and the king posts, you select all of them, and then you say assign to selected beams is already checked. Okay, you select them again. Okay, assign to selected beams is already checked, and you say assign, and yes. So 90 by 90 by 7 has been assigned to the top and bottom rafters and the king post. Now to the vertical and the diagonal bracing member, select first. Okay, and then we are assigning to selected beams, assign, and then we say yes. So we have assigned properties and sections. So we'll go to our material tab and see what our material is. So our material, they are all angle bars, steel angle bars. So we have successfully assigned materials and properties, and of course we have also successfully applied loadings to the structure. So very quickly, from our general tab, we now move to our analysis/print tab. So we are going to give it the command to analyze all. So we want virtually all the analysis to be carried out. So we check all and then we say add. Okay, we can close this. Okay, so we can come to our post print. Okay, we can send all our load combinations down to this way so that analysis will be carried out for all of them. It will print out analysis for all of this for us. So okay, we can close this up. All right, so very quickly we will go to our design, but we are going to handle that in the next video. Thank you very much for listening.